The idea of growing red-skinned bananas here feels impossible.
There's nothing left in it. It's just dust.
The projections for the Red Banana Desert Project are still on track.
I agree, but we must secure these experimental plantation charts immediately.
This organic matter is crucial, making the soil darker and more cohesive, essential steps in reclaiming the desert.
Here, the rich, flattened earth is meticulously organized into vast plantation rows. These
challenge is officially underway.
Check the pressure now.
It's steady. We're good to go, boss.
There it is! That is incredible!
Yes, look at it go. We finally did it.
This thick organic mulch is critical here. It drastically reduces evaporation, keeping the soil cool for the red banana crop in this intense heat.
The fences are crucial for protection against sandstorms and the relentless desert wind, preserving vital moisture for the crops within.
The shade nets are crucial here, creating a cooler microclimate that significantly reduces heat stress for the young red banana plants.
The contrast is clear. Red banana seedlings, characterized by their dark veins and
The red-skinned banana cultivar, while visually striking, presents unique challenges due to its high drought sensitivity.
Controlled humidity is critical.
Life strengthens under protection.
The gauge is reading 35 Celsius. Humidity is too low.
We need to activate the misters immediately.
Look at that root ball. Textbook perfect. Readiness confirmed.
To ensure a successful crop, only the healthiest seedlings, like these vibrant specimens, are selected. The next challenge approaches.
This is the moment of first contact. The tropical roots reaching deep into the dry desert soil.
This one is torn badly.
Yes, but the main stock is fine. The harvest is safe.
Deep beneath the surface, the thick red roots of the banana plant spread wide, anchoring it firmly in the
The hardest phase has been survived.
The morning mist lifts, revealing the mature red stems. Note the deep maroon color, clearly distinct from the common yellow variety.
Against all odds, the red banana plants flourish here, their deep purple buds a vibrant splash of tropical life in the heart of the desert.
We need to remove these lower ones to help the fruit develop.
Okay, I see the ones you mean.
Notice the distinct reddish hue of these young fingers, a critical identifier of the red Dhaka variety.
Deep within the tropics, the red banana ripens, a striking contrast of crimson fruit against the vibrant green leaves.
The impossible is becoming visible.
This is incredibly sweet.
Yes, it's perfect.
The red banana harvest is a sight to behold, a stark contrast against the desert sands.
This experimental harvest represents a major breakthrough in desert agriculture.
Nothing finer than the sight of a full harvest.
Amen to that. It's truly beautiful.
Against all odds, they had finally succeeded. Proof that the impossible happened. Harvested at dawn, these rare red bananas must be carefully protected from the sun before beginning their long journey to market. The vibrant red bananas immediately stand out against the sterile stainless steel as they begin their journey through the state-of-the-art facility.
Have you ever seen red bananas grown in a desert before?
Never. Are they any good?
Look at these, truly magnificent.
I cannot believe my eyes. They are completely red.
The first shipment in months. Enjoy.
Look at the color on this one. It's almost purple.
Yeah, and the texture seems softer than the regular ones.
The display says they're much sweeter too.
Wow. That is incredibly sweet and creamy.
Miren esto, lo estoy subiendo ahora. Se está volviendo viral. Mira los comentarios.
We cut them back hard, yes, but look at the regrowth. It's stronger now than before the storm.
The land how changed forever. An epic closure to a peaceful coexistence. The desert is no longer just sand. It produces red bananas.